Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
And I can tell you, with the forces we have, I don't know of anybody who will challenge us. I don't know of anybody who will challenge us. And I tell you, it's like tomorrow is 2027. It's like tomorrow is 2027. So all these things will come and we'll just rest. For me, it's still very far. I can't wait. The two leadership of the party now, APC is here, PDP is where can you find that unity? Which state? It's only in Rivers where you can find that unity. And that's what most people don't like. When they see people are united, working together, they find something how to make sure they are divided. But since we know, we have refused to be divided. This is only state where the ruling party will win for president. The opposition party will take for the National Assembly. Election that was on the same time, the same minute, the same hour. Clap for us. This is what we call uncommon. This is what we call uncommon. I will thank God that uncommonness has been brought to us from our major uncommon friend. I want to sincerely thank all of you. I believe that God is different person will continue to give us the strength to work together and to support Mr. President. See, so many people, what I found out in this country, we hardly remember yesterday. We are in a rush. We have problem. But you have not asked yourself, God, what it means. How was yesterday? To solve the problems of this country cannot be a miracle. Decisions of Mr. President is what, if we are patient at the end of the day, we will get to where we want to get to. It cannot be easy that way. That you want to bring a policy that something that has spoiled for years, within 6 months, you have changed it. Even if it is a miracle, it is difficult. It is difficult. What we require is give him support. I believe in the Renew Hope agenda. I seriously believe in the Renew Hope agenda. And we're going to do anything to continue to support Mr. President. You know, I was watching television after the confidence of every election. Every government that comes out, he said, I thank Mr. President for not interfering. Immediately that has expired, people are saying a different thing. You see, Nigeria is a very terrible country. I was watching every governor after Supreme Court on them. After they thank God, the next one is who? Mr. President. Just after 2-3 weeks, everything has been evaporated. Now, it's a different thing. Mr. President, we are dying, we are doing this, we are not doing that. That's the country for you. But let nobody lose hope. Don't lose hope. Why you should not lose hope? If what we are doing in Abuja today, it means that Mr. President will do better. What we are doing in Abuja today will show you there is a sign of good things coming. It is Mr. President. Some people say, we can do well. People say, monkey the job. No, we are doing it. If three no near three, let monkey job now. Oh, we can do well in Abuja. If President is not supporting, let me come